What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat lag in Narzo 17 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the Snapchat app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Snapchat app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then simply press and hold on Snapchat and then uninstall your app. After install your app, then reinstall it. After reinstall your app, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.